In this video, I'm planting strawberries using the bare root. So these plants won't produce fruit until next year, so I'm really excited about the process. I'm going to do vertical planting, you'll see that in a second, but here's the root. So typically when it's sowed like this, it has a rubber band on it. I'm going to take that off and separate the roots. I'm going to soak them in water for about an hour before I plant. So this is how it looks. Just put that in water to let it regenerate. And I think there are about 10 plants in here. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 9 of them. So I'm just going to submerge it and let that sit for a little bit. And once that's done soaking, I'm going to go ahead and begin the process of planting the roots. So I put a lot of consideration into which container to use. One thing to note is that these strawberries are being grown on the balcony. So I wanted something that would not take up a lot of space and that would give each plant enough room to grow and for the roots to expand. Also, as the plants mature, they develop runners. And these are like vines, they're actually stems. And they develop their own roots and establish themselves in the soil. So eventually, I'll continue to stack the container from the bottom, and the new plants can then establish themselves on the lower level of the container. So one very important thing to note is that as you're planting the roots, the crown should be just above the surface of the soil. And the crown is that top area there. Um, and this is important because the plant can actually rot at the crown. And this will, of course, impede its growth and kill the plant. So be careful about how far you're putting that in the soil. So I will update you all on how my strawberry plants progress. This is my first time growing strawberries, and so I'm expecting there to be some trial and some error, but I'm hopeful and I will share everything I learned in the process. So thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe if you have not done so already. And if you found this video useful, please like and share. Thank you all so much for watching.